So, in real world projects, no survey or terrain model is perfect. Editing surfaces in Civil 3D helps engineers fine-tune elevations, eliminate irregularities, and adapt to on-site changes, ensuring the model remains both reliable and buildable. So, without further ado, let's see how this can be done in Civil 3D. So, let's create a file and quickly insert some points and create a surface. So, after we have created our surface, we can see there are multiple. After we have created our surface, we can see there are multiple contour lines, some minor ones, some major ones, and a green colored boundary line. So this surface is not exactly made up of that. The surface is actually made up of various lines that interpolate different points together, forming triangles. So this thing is called a triangulated irregular network, or TIN surface. When you hover over the surface, you will say TIN surface, which means triangulated irregular network surface. Now, since it is made up of triangulate triangles, so let's view the triangles first. Only then we can edit it. So let's try select the surface, go to edit surface, and just select the surface, right click, and go to edit surface style, and just switch off the border, major contour, minor contour, and switch on the triangles and just apply it. Now you can see there are triangles visible, and these triangles are formed by interpolating point with another nearby points. And see, this point is interpolated with this point is interpolated with this point, and same with all others. But when we see it in a conceptual view, just let's create a surface over here and just go a bit to isometric view. Now you can see this is the actual surface. This is a hill slope surface, so this is fine, right? But this area in the middle, this created zone is a plain zone, which in reality is a river valley, but it is depicted as a plain zone in this software model. So this is not practical, and it takes a lot of processing power of our CPU, so we need to remove this. So we'll just go to top and we'll just rotate it out to top again. Okay, now let's go back to our 2D wireframe, and you can see these points interpolating with each other is making sense, but this point interpolating with a point far away here, this is not making sense, and this does not need to happen. It's just taking our processing power. So we can just delete those lines. So select the surface, go to edit surface, delete line, and select the lines with green selection and press enter. If you do the blue selection, this is not gonna select anything, just the green selection and enter. So let me quickly delete some lines and we'll get back to you. So see, you can see now the points are close, the close points are well interpolated, and the farther points are just deleted. And when we go to our conceptual view, you can see the road is in good shape now. It's well representing the topography of the region, and the road itself can easily be seen on the surface created. So you can just see the road going from here, just on a hairpin bend, back here on a hairpin bend, and goes on that direction. But when we just zoom onto the surface, we will see some irregularities on the surface, right? This is in real field, this is a road, right? But here, this computer model is interpolating this upper side of the upper hills, this point on the upper side of the road to the point on the outer edge of the road, which is not in the field, but it has interpolated because it's just a mathematical model and it does whatever it thinks is correct. But this is not in actual field condition, so we need to edit it. So for that, we'll just select the field surface, go to edit surface, and then just swap edge. Just click on the edge and it will be swapped. Same can be done for all the other things as well. Here, yeah. Now what does this do? Let's first check that out. So let's just see, here's a slope, right? Let's draw a line here and check the cross section. Then we'll edit the area and then again check the cross section. Okay, let's go to top view. This was our position. We'll draw a line, create a line, just draw the line, select it, right click, quick profile, and just click OK. And this is completely exaggerated and inverted as well, so we'll just rotate it first. And this exaggeration can be easily solved. Just click it, right click, select the graph, right click it, edit profile view style, and since the current horizontal is 1000 and custom is 100, so we'll just select the this can be easily solved. So just right click it, go to edit profile view style, and the custom scale and the current horizontal scale should match. We will just match that and apply and OK. So now you can see there is a continuous slope along that line. Along this line there is a continuous slope, but since there is a road in actual field, this should depict a road right here. So for that we'll just select the surface and you can see these triangles, right? This upper side of the road is interpolating with the lower side of the right. This should not happen. This point should have interpolated with this line, this point should have interpolated with this, and this one should have interpolated with this one. So we'll just select it, go to edit surface, swap edge, and you can see there's a line. I'll select that, I'll select this one as well, this one, and within just few clicks you can see a good enough road appears in front of us. Let's just rotate it first and it will be easier for us to visualize it. What the hell? Okay, so here is our road. We'll just select it, go to edit surface, swap edge, and this one as well, this one, this, just a couple of more lines, and I guess we should be good. Yeah, so you can see this road is so clean right now, and in the section as well you can see there is a road section developed here. So this is the main importance of editing the surface that we have created. The surface does not necessarily represent the field condition, so we need to make it represent our field condition, and in the same way we can edit more areas whichever field we feel is mistakenly interpolated or the computer has not done it well. So we'll just select those and edit some. This is a matter of few hit and trials. It takes some time and practice, and after you have just done for some time, you will just get the flow and you'll be faster in doing this all. So just let me quickly finish it up and then we shall see what happens. Okay, so within just few clicks now you can see this road from here to here is clearly being shown in the surface model, right? So this is the actual need of the field. This is the actual need of editing the surfaces in Civil 3D.